Putting a face to the name is one of the most important things that you can do when building trust with potential clients or partners online. Let's face it, many of the people we work with have never seen us in person, and they don't know who we are. In fact, sometimes they don't even know if we're real human beings. The internet is filled with so many scams and negative experiences that people have lost their sense of trust. So one of the most important things that you can do is to let the people in your world see you and your world. This can mean recording a video of your face, your workspace, or even sharing a screen recording with some social proof. This type of visual communication builds trust with people, making them feel more comfortable working with you. We've built the Dubb platform that makes it easier than ever to record videos. Whether it's through our desktop app, our mobile app, or our website, our tools are designed to be simple with one-click recording. So you don't need expensive software, technical skills, or a ton of stamina to create impactful videos. Now, like never before, you can record videos quickly and easily and make a big impact. But here's the key: personalization. When you personalize your videos, people feel like you're speaking directly to them. This makes them feel special and more likely to engage with you and eventually work with you. We highly recommend making your videos as personalized as possible. We've included features like the whiteboard tool, customized headers, and burned-in text, all to make your video comm more effective. The most important thing is finding a method that works for you and that's repeatable. If you don't make your video communication a regular habit, you won't see the results you're looking for. That's why I highly recommend installing our software and shifting your mindset from text-based communication to video-based communication. It's here where you'll see the most success in connecting with people and getting the results that you want. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below to keep us motivated and to know what you want to see next. And also you'll find a link in the description to upgrade your account to the Dubb Pro Plus account, where you can have more features and access to live coaching. Thank you and see you at the next video.